We've never had to even think in terms of these numbers, but we need millions of masks, and all of that will be ordered. We need respirators. We need ventilators.
President Trump tackling an urgent need for protective equipment. He says the government has ordered 5 million masks for coronavirus response. As the federal government puts in a rush order on N95 masks, people here are standing for Houston, sharing what little supply they have. Here's Melissa Correa.
The United States is scrambling to get more coronavirus test kits and the protective equipment needed so doctors and nurses can give those tests. Right now, the supply on N95 masks is running low.
While we don't have numbers on what that looks like, we do know that there is a supply shortage.
Harris County's health director is balancing demand, shuffling supplies so healthcare workers are covered.
While that's happening and we're working through local solutions for this, we're also hopeful that federal and state assets get here so we're able to actually now move forward.
President Trump just announced the Department of Defense is giving about 5 million N95 masks to hospitals and clinics across the country. And the federal government is ordering about 1 million more.
Hi, good morning, everybody.
The mask shortage is due in large part to panic buying. Last month, we showed you the lines outside medical supply stores. Healthy people shelled out $25 for what's usually a $4 mask, even though the World Health Organization and the CDC urged people not to.
Save the mask for somebody who's sick or for the healthcare providers who are taking care of them.
Worry from nurses like Kevin McFarland is why the city of Houston just donated 10,000 masks to the Texas Med Center. It's why a California construction company just handed a box off to doctors in San Francisco.
Every hospital is looking at that supply, securing whatever they can secure, making sure they preserve what they have, using it appropriately and not using it in ways they don't need to.
Healthcare workers now forced to weigh their options because there just isn't enough protective equipment to go around just yet. Melissa Correa, KHOU 11 News.